is for alligator with a big wide grin. B is for bear, so strong and thin. C is for cat who loves to purr. D is for dog with lots of fur. E is for elephant, so big and gray. F is for fox who loves to play. G is for giraffe with a neck so long. H is for hippo, heavy and strong. I is for iguana, green and slow. J is for jaguar with spots that glow. K is for kangaroo, hopping around. L is for lion with a mighty sound. M is for monkey, swinging in trees. N is for narwhal, swimming in seas. O is for owl who hoots at night. P is for penguin, in black and white. Q is for quail, so quick and small. R is for rabbit, hopping through the hall. S is for snake, slithering by. T is for tiger with stripes to spy. U is for urchin, spiky and round. V is for vulture, soaring off the ground. W is for whale, deep in the sea. X is for X-ray fish, mysterious as can be. Y is for yak with wool so thick. Z is for zebra with stripes so quick. Now we know our A to Z, with all the animals you can see.